Yeah, I'm here in Grenada, man. RA. What you say, like, man, Jamaican man, Grenada, eh? I don't know. Anyways, I'm at a beach, right in Belmont. The strange thing is that I always pass up on the top road, but I've never really stopped to see what's going on around here. I didn't even know that a beach was around this side, and it's located right there's town right there, so it's located right on the top road. The entrance is there, and it's just so nice. Come, son. This is my son here, Sebastian. Say hi to the camera. Oh, he's always running. He hates the water. I don't know why. Like, he's just running from the water like all the time. I've never seen a dog afraid of water before, but I guess everybody's truly an individual. So I'm here now walking on the rocks. Here he's running. He hates the water. This is so weird. So this thing here. Okay. How am I going to get around the other side? It's shallow. I'm gonna have to leave him for a bit. Oh, adventure time. So the waves are like bursting under here. Boom, like they're just bursting under here like all the time. I don't think this is safe. Maybe it is. I don't know. So, oh, there's like a little area around here, like, wow. This is so cool. Ooh, look under there, like, it's like peeping away and crab. Oh, there's a crab there. Ooh. It's on the other side, but I am an island boy. I live on the coast of North Jamaica, and I don't like the deep. I don't like beaches, I don't like pools. This is shallow, of course. So I made it, guys. Like, I made it to the other side. Yay! I am so invincible right now. Like, totally, yeah. You can buy me coffee. I made it. I demand a prize. Wow. Oh, you can walk to Port Louis from here. There's like a beach right there. So I guess you could have entered around this section from Port Louis side. For a moment there, I thought I was a discoverer. I discovered something and I was gonna get like a prize for it, but I guess not. Sucks to be me. Ooh, can you believe it? Like, I can go under here and I could like, ooh, like touch it and everything, and all the way up there, come back up. Look, this is so cool. This is like a hill on top of here, you know. Is either it was scratched out or this is natural. And this, I don't know if this is natural. I've never seen nothing like this before in my entire life. Over there you have the hospital, and you have, the town is so pretty from here. This angle really suits town. I'm not lying. So I'm gonna head back because I don't like being alone around this section. I'm just so laid back. Like, you just have a vibe that just make you want to relax. Oh my god, I've never been so relaxed in my life. There's like no worries. Staying in Grenada, you have no worries. You're just so relaxed, just under the sun. I could just lay here all day. It's just so comfortable and just relaxing here. There's no worries, don't worry, you have to worry about what you're gonna eat tomorrow. It's just so Can I stay here forever? Nope. It's really nice though. It's just so relaxing and comforting. And I live here. So what if you're on vacation? You'd have even more fun. You just feel relaxed and just your hair is blowing in the wind. The sun is burning you up. The water is cool. People are friendly. Weird sand. Boats. Kids playing and having fun. What more could I ask for? This is really nice. Oh my gosh. I think one of the things that I love the most about here is I can be on my own time. Like, no one is rushing. No one is rushing you. It's just, I just love being on my own time. That's one of the things that I like the most about here. I can just be me and take my time, do whatever I want to do. I know that when I get there, oh, he's barking. I know that when I get there, I won't be in trouble or anything. Because I'm on my own time. And I don't have a lot of people around me that I know to always be bugging me and popping up at my house uninvited. It's not like I don't like people, it's just that I rather be alone sometime. And when I'm here, I can get that because it's just nice. I just love it. It's just nice.